Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of blogging and exploring how to build a profitable blog. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this video is packed with tips and strategies to help you succeed. Let's jump right in. The first step in building a profitable blog is choosing the right niche. We'll discuss how to identify your passions, research profitable niches, and select a niche that aligns with your expertise and interests. Setting up your blog is the next crucial step. We'll walk you through the process of choosing a domain name, selecting a blogging platform, and setting up your blog for success. Creating high-quality content is key to attracting and retaining readers. We'll explore strategies for brainstorming blog post ideas, writing engaging content, and optimizing your posts for search engines. Growing your audience is essential for building a profitable blog. We'll discuss tactics for promoting your blog, engaging with your audience, and leveraging social media to attract new readers. Once you've built a loyal following, it's time to monetize your blog. We'll cover various monetization strategies, including display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital products. Optimizing your monetization strategy is key to maximizing your blog's earning potential. We'll discuss how to analyze your blog's performance, experiment with different monetization methods, and optimize your revenue streams. Building a strong brand is essential for long-term success as a blogger. We'll explore branding strategies, including creating a unique brand identity, establishing your authority in your niche, and cultivating a loyal community of followers. Once you've established a profitable blog, you may consider expanding your blogging empire. We'll discuss strategies for scaling your blog, diversifying your income streams, and exploring new opportunities for growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of profitable blogging. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in building your own successful blog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on passive income strategies. Happy blogging!